Damn, Daniel.
What do you have in the print job? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, what do you have in the print job?
It's printing.
Okay, so it's a full job or just one sheet?
It's one sheet.
Yeah.
Damn, Daniel.
Okay, that's good. Thanks.
Oh,
Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel.